Are you ready for some big surprises from Tesla? Today, we will explore 3 new electric car models that Elon Musk has revealed will be launched in 2025, including the Robotaxi self-driving car that he claims will completely change the auto industry. Is this the leap that helps Tesla reach the $30 trillion mark in value as predicted? Don't take your eyes off, because the upcoming information will make you excited. If you love exciting news about technology and the lives of billionaires, please like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting updates from us. Tesla has just announced 3 new electric vehicle models to be launched in 2025, including the Tesla van, the new Roadster, and a mysterious model called the Model 2. The Tesla van is expected to enter the commercial and family vehicle market with its smart design and superior operating range, while the new Roadster targets the high-end sports car segment. In particular, the Model 2 is the center of attention as it is predicted to be a low-cost car to increase Tesla's accessibility to the mass market. This announcement not only satisfies the expectations of Tesla fans but also has strategic significance to compete with rivals such as BYD and Hyundai. This move shows that Tesla is diversifying its products, not only focusing on the high-end segment but also expanding to new segments to maintain its leading position in the electric vehicle industry. Elon Musk revealed that Robotaxi, Tesla's fully autonomous vehicle, could create a major turning point in the automotive industry. Robotaxis are built on a new manufacturing platform that reduces the cost of manufacturing motors to under $1 and eliminates rare metals and components. With plans to operate an autonomous car-sharing service, Musk predicts that robotaxis could create a market value of up to $30 trillion. This would not only bring in huge revenue, but also make Tesla a pioneer in the field of autonomous transportation. Musk has even called the model Airbnb for cars, with Tesla owners able to rent out their cars to the Robotaxi network when they are not in use. While this is a promising prospect, Tesla still faces many challenges, such as perfecting autonomous technology and building the right infrastructure to support this service. Although Tesla has achieved market leadership, older models like the Model 3 and Model Y are gradually losing their appeal. Tesla's sales fell 8.25% in the first quarter, reflecting a decline in demand for older models and growing pressure from rivals. These models cannot continue to ensure long-term growth for Tesla, especially in the context of new companies such as BYD in China and Hyundai increasing market share significantly. Instead of focusing on low-cost models to attract the mass market, Tesla has pushed the Cybertruck project, a unique model but difficult to scale up for mass production. This puts great pressure on Tesla to innovate and diversify its products to meet market demand and strengthen its position in the context of increasingly fierce competition. Elon Musk is betting big on autonomous technology as the key to overcoming this difficult period. Tesla is focusing on the Cybertruck, a futuristic-looking electric pickup truck, but Elon Musk has admitted that it will not have a significant impact on sales in the short term. The Cybertruck is expected to appeal to a specific group of customers thanks to its unique design and advanced technology. But its development is facing challenges in terms of production costs and market demand. In addition, Tesla is applying a groundbreaking production method called Unboxed, which allows the car to be broken down into 4 main parts and assembled simultaneously. This is considered the biggest step forward in automobile production since Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line. This technology not only reduces production time but also significantly reduces costs, thereby increasing Tesla's competitiveness in the global automobile industry. This method will be applied to new generation models, including Robotaxi, to optimize production efficiency. One of Elon Musk's most ambitious plans is to bring Robotaxi to market, promising to revolutionize public transportation. Robotaxis will be fully autonomous electric vehicles that operate without a driver, reducing transportation costs and bringing convenience to users. Tesla is aiming to create an ecosystem similar to Airbnb but for electric vehicles, where car owners can register their cars as robotaxis when not in use. This will bring opportunities for Tesla car owners to earn extra income. Elon Musk even compared the potential of robotaxi to services like Uber, emphasizing that this model can change the way we travel. With the expected cost of producing robotaxi engines under $1 thanks to the Unboxed manufacturing platform, Tesla is aiming to popularize this type of transportation globally, especially in large cities where transportation demand is high. Tesla is not only developing technology but also has ambitions to dominate the global market with revolutionary products. Elon Musk expects Tesla to produce millions of robotaxis every year, thereby pushing the company's value to $5 trillion in the future. He is also optimistic that robotaxis will be a strategic weapon to help Tesla surpass competitors such as BYD or Hyundai, which are increasingly strong in the electric vehicle market. However, to maintain its leading position, Tesla needs a more specific and clear plan. Competitors such as BYD from China are taking advantage of production speed and low cost to quickly gain market share. If they do not act promptly, Tesla risks being pushed out of the leading position in the electric vehicle industry. Elon Musk is betting on autonomous technology and low-cost products such as the Model 2 to increase competitiveness, while expanding Tesla's access to more customers. This approach not only emphasizes a long-term vision but also a direct declaration of war against other automakers, especially in the context of fierce competition in the global electric vehicle industry. Tesla is placing high hopes on the Model 2 project, a low-cost electric car designed to reach a wider audience, especially in emerging markets. Elon Musk said that the Model 2 will be based on Tesla's third-generation manufacturing platform, using an optimized manufacturing process to significantly reduce costs. A key highlight is the elimination of rare metals in the production of batteries and motors, helping to reduce costs and limit environmental impact. This model is designed to suit the daily needs of users, with a lower price than current car models but still maintaining high quality and performance. The Model 2 is not just a car, but also Tesla's strategy to expand its market share in the low-cost electric car segment, a segment with great potential but also very competitive. If successful, the Model 2 can become a flagship product, helping Tesla compete with strong competitors such as BYD, China, or Hyundai, Korea. However, this project also faces major challenges, especially the ability to balance low cost and maintain high technology standards, something that Tesla always puts first. Tesla Van is expected to be Tesla's new step in the commercial vehicle segment. This model is designed to meet the needs of moving large groups of people or transporting goods, with the ability to compete directly with Ford Transit, a very successful vehicle line in the market. However, Tesla Van is expected to have many outstanding advantages, such as longer operating range and the ability to optimize operating costs thanks to advanced battery technology. This is a big advantage when Ford Transit, although popular, still has limitations in terms of distance traveled on a single charge. Besides Tesla Van, models such as Cybercar and Model 2 variant, called Cybercab, are also being developed. The Cybercab features a compact design, 2 doors, a large cargo space, and a competitive price, targeting young or urban customers. These models not only expand the product line but also affirm Tesla's creativity and ability to quickly adapt to a constantly changing market. Product diversification not only helps Tesla penetrate deeper into new market segments but also helps consolidate its leading position in the global electric vehicle industry. However, to achieve this goal, Tesla needs to concretize its plans and ensure timely production progress, something the company has struggled with in the past. Tesla is using a groundbreaking technology called mega casting and the Unboxed manufacturing process, which is expected to revolutionize the automotive industry. With mega casting, large parts of a car, such as the body or chassis, are produced from a single mold. This not only significantly reduces the number of parts that need to be assembled, but also increases precision, reduces vehicle weight, and optimizes performance. The Unboxed process is even more impressive, dividing the car into 4 main parts that are produced simultaneously before being fully assembled. This method saves costs, reduces production time, and allows Tesla to quickly deploy new models in large numbers. Elon Musk is confident that this is the biggest improvement since Henry Ford's moving assembly line more than 100 years ago. This not only helps Tesla increase its competitiveness but also lays the foundation for lower-cost models, such as the Model 2. With lower production costs, Tesla is facing both great opportunities and challenges as it shapes its future. Despite its pioneering advantage in electric and autonomous vehicle technology, the company also faces pressure from strong competitors such as BYD and Hyundai, which are expanding rapidly in major markets. The fact that its flagship products such as the Model 3 and Model Y are gradually becoming obsolete has created an urgent need for product innovation. However, Elon Musk is leading Tesla to ambitious opportunities. He is not only focusing on new models such as the Model 2 or Tesla Van, but also betting big on Robotaxi, a project that he believes will open up a huge source of revenue. The plan, if successful, would position Tesla not only as an electric car company but also as a global autonomous car-sharing platform, similar to the Airbnb model but for cars. Tesla is preparing for a disruptive future with new technologies and models that promise to change the automotive industry. However, whether Elon Musk can realize all these ambitions is still a big question. What do you think about Tesla's bold plans? Don't hesitate to share your opinion in the comments section below. If you find the video useful, please like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting information from us. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.